Samsung is preparing for one of its most significant foldable device launches to date. The long-awaited Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be formally unveiled by the tech giant next month. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, a surprising third entrant, is also being discussed, but that's not all. Additionally, the long-rumored tri-foldable phone, possibly called the Galaxy G Fold, is at last gaining attention. A recent report claims that Samsung will unveil these state-of-the-art foldables on July 9th at its Galaxy Unpacked event in New York City. The most recent leaks indicate that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 will be available for purchase in August, a month or so after their big debut. Although it hasn't been named officially, the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition is anticipated to arrive on the same schedule. Samsung claims to have the most sophisticated folding device ever, and based on what we've seen so far, the Z Fold 7 looks like a throwback. It is more powerful, sleeker, and thinner than before. However, Samsung's first tri-fold smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold, is expected to be the most shocking announcement. Although it won't be ready until October, this futuristic gadget will also be introduced in July. Additionally, just 200,000 units are anticipated to be produced initially and exclusively in specific markets. With a projected July debut date, the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is almost here, and the leaks keep pouring. Although we already know almost everything about the gadget, including its dimensions and specifications, no one had yet to compare it to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The first in-person comparison between a Galaxy Z Fold 7 fake unit and the Z Fold 6 has been made possible by a Korean tech-focused YouTube channel. The Z Fold 7 is larger and slimmer than the Z Fold 6, demonstrating Samsung's significant advancements in foldable design. In just one generation, it's a startling change. When unfolded, the Fold 7 is only 4.5 mm thick, while the Z Fold 6 is 5.6 mm thick. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.